There's a smile, honey.
Daddy.
Who's this toy for after all?
It's Mark's new toy.
Have fun with this, Peter.
So Mark can finally learn English.
Yeah.
Ooh.
This is cool, Peter.
You have to let go of it.
I did. Sometimes you get it too soon after the last picture and it doesn't do.
Yeah, I know.
Oops, excuse me. Your dad's gonna have you talking soon.
Saying the words that
Hey,
he's spelling.
Peter, I will not put it back on you again. That was a nice long run. You got another gift.
You know what it is?
I want to try and save that, so don't let him tear it up.
Bye-bye.
We can turn this off if you want to.
Here, I'll
Because this other one is both.